Hey, what's going on? Daniel here. Welcome back to another video. And today I want to share with you the roadmap to growing from zero to about $2,000 a month with your online business. And I picked $2,000 a month for one specific reason, because I'm going to share with you later on in this video how much this channel has made since I started monetizing it. And by monetization, I'm not talking about YouTube AdSense. This time is not even eligible to be monetized for YouTube AdSense yet, but I'm going to share with you have been able to do that and how you can go from zero to about $2,000 a month if you follow the steps in this video. Now, this video is not for everybody. Some people are going to click off right away because there's no text on screen, big things jumping around and things of that nature. But if you stick around till the end, you will be able to have a roadmap that would allow you to grow your online business even if you have nothing existing right now. So let's jump right into it. First of all, I want to say that overnight success does not exist. Now, it took about a year or even more than that for this channel to even grow to 1,000 subscribers and even to get monetized at all, for people to start finding it and for this channel to start making some money. So if you think that what I'm about to show you right now is going to start making you money from next week, well, this video is definitely not for you, and this message is not for you as well. So overnight success does not exist. You have to stick to a plan and make sure that you are all in on that plan. Now, with that said, now what is the best way to start generating money online? There are several ways to which you can do it. You can do drop shipping, you can sell products, but I always say that the best way to start generating money online in the most fail-proof way is to start by offering a service. A service could be anything. It could be you offering website building, copywriting, graphics design, social media marketing. It could be just about any of these things that require you to show up and deliver services using your existing ability. Now, a lot of people may think that, well, I don't have anything to offer. I want to tell you, there's something right there. Even if you're not an expert at that thing, as long as you can learn something, you are more than likely to be able to deliver a service to someone. And I always recommend a service because you cannot fail. As long as you're able to show up and deliver the service that you promised that you will deliver, you cannot fail. And you don't even have to spend any money up front, as compared to things like e-commerce, for example, where you need to build a website, sign up for Shopify, start running ads online. And with these steps, you need to invest some money, and that is not applicable to service-based businesses. Now, like I said earlier, you need to be able to commit to at least a 6-month process. This channel, for example, I started making money with it in the month of February, March, but it took me well over a year before I got to that point. Now, if you think you're going to put something out tomorrow and by next week someone's going to pay you an amount of money, that is not going to happen. You should prepare your mind that it's going to take you at least 6 months from the moment that you begin. Now, you may make your first dollar way earlier than that. It happens, but that is not the rule. It is only an exception. How do you get people to reach out to you to pay you for the service that you're about to offer? Now, this is the way that I've been able to do it, and this is a fail-proof way. You see, when you position yourself as an expert at something, it is way easier for people to reach out to you because they already know that you are the expert at this thing, because you've proved yourself over and over again by giving out some form of free value or by impacting their lives in a way that does not require them to pay you. And what better way to do this than to build your reputation on a platform like YouTube, for example? And I always recommend content creation because it is the best way to give value to people and also grow an audience and build a personal brand all at the same time. So you're making content, you're teaching people how to do stuff, you are providing value upfront to a lot of people, and they are seeing that over and over again. You're showing up on their feed every single day, or maybe every 3 days, or every week. Now, if you're delivering those videos in a way that you're supposed to, people are probably thinking, this guy probably knows a thing or two that I don't. And in their minds, they're already making that decision to approach you and possibly hire you for that project that they have in mind. And what stops a lot of people from getting started is they're thinking, YouTube is so hard, YouTube is oversaturated, there's no way I'm going to grow. But I can assure you, the only way that you're not going to grow on YouTube is if you never post any videos at all. But if you ask me, is there a guaranteed time frame to go from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers or to start getting a ton of views on YouTube? There's no guaranteed time frame. It may take you a month, it may take you 3 months, it may take you a year, or maybe more. But if you commit yourself to posting videos consistently about a particular topic, I can assure you that it's only a matter of time before your channel starts growing and people start finding you. So when that happens, your effort is going to compound over time. Now imagine posting one video a week over the course of a year. That's over 50 videos that you have in your archives. Now think about posting 2 videos a week. That's over 100 videos. On this channel, this is going to be the 130th video that I'm posting on this channel, and I've only grown to just over 1,000 subscribers in the last 2 months. So don't think of YouTube as this thing that you have to waste your time on, but think about it as a real estate that you're investing in that is going to give you returns over time. And when that happens, you're only going to have yourself to thank for it. So let me just summarize very briefly what I've talked about in this video. 1, overnight success does not exist. 2, you need to identify one thing that you're good at and go all in. 3, you need to commit yourself to a 6-month process at least. 4, start creating content around that topic, build your audience, give value up front, and position yourself as the expert so you can build your brand in the process. 5, YouTube is your best bet. Start posting content on YouTube, and over time your effort is going to compound and people will find you eventually. Now let me talk about the revenue for this month on this channel. In the last 1 month alone, this channel is closing in on about $2,000 in revenue, and that is not Google AdSense at all. That is just from consultancy services, brand partnerships, and hopefully in the future this number is only going to go up. So if this video has been helpful, let me know in the comment section down below, and if you have not subscribed, consider doing that right now. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below, and check out the links in the description as well. If you have any need for any of the services, book a call with me one-on-one, and I'll be able to answer all the questions, and hopefully we can get to work with together at some point in the future. Again, my name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.